Good afternoon everyone, thank you for checking in. I have been buying stuff from AliExpress more than 10 years, but this is the first time that I have ever ordered something to wear from AliExpress. These are some kind of short boots with some fur in them, and this pair of boots are cost only $8.29. So this is the first time. I am really excited. I just removed it from the package. It just came this black package, that's all. So it says 44. This is European size. I ordered 44 because everyone's saying on the AliExpress to order one size bigger than your standard size to get the shoes or boots fit. But I already worried that they are going to be too big for me. I hope they will not. Nice texture, and they are saying that this is waterproof. Yes, some kind of waterproofing, but when you walk in the snow you will get wet from these parts. But I think these are going to be really warm inside. Yeah, actually it feels really soft and warm. That is nice. And second one, you just see some glue work around the boots, but I think that they will be wiped off. Yes, just pressing or see with some wet towels wiping. The brand is BJ, famous brand. Anyway, it's same, soft and nice. For $8, these boots looks actually awesome. Just $8. Look at this. So let me try them and see if they fit. Then I am going to tell you if you need to order one size bigger or not. Okay guys, after trying these on, I wish I have ordered my standard size 43. Yes, as you just saw, they fit on my feet, but you know, it would be better if I ordered 43. So if your size is 43, order 43. If it's 42, order 42. Because every kind of shoes I just experienced on AliExpress, they have different measuring system, every single seller. Be careful while ordering, and the best way is to measure your feet from heel to toe by centimeters, so you can find the exact number on the seller's chart. But for $8, $8.29, this is awesome. So if you would like to buy one pair for yourself, you can find the link in the description. This is not the only color. They have black, dark blue, and gray, I think. Just check the link. And I think these are going to look awesome with some, combinations I can use. Gray or white, black. This color lets you to use them in various combinations for your outfits, because it has white on it. It's some kind of dark red, or what is this color? Sorry, I couldn't remember it. Black, gray. Awesome. Anyway, thank you for watching and have a great day.